Dental implant procedure is a complex procedure. It may have multiple risk factors and potentially they can fail. So one of the reasons why the implant can fail is poor planning. Each case needs to be studied and planned precisely. Also, during the surgery, implant placement needs to be placed in a precise position. That will help to restore these implants and give the beautiful smile. Also, dentists should have specific surgical tools that help him to place the implant in precise position. Sometimes we need to do bone grafting and sinus lift, so that needs some experience and some tools to help the dentist in placing these implants. Using poor quality material can cause a problem, especially in terms of the fine restoration. It may break easily by the time. It may need more maintenance, more repairing, more visits. Here in Woodbridge Periodontal and Implant Center, we always make sure we have high quality material, high standard implants. Restoration-wise, we use the high standard zirconia, the top-notch lab that will save the patient's time and money. If you have any more questions, you are free to call us at Woodbridge Periodontal Implant Center anytime. We offer a complimentary consult and X-ray to help you understand how we can start your journey to a beautiful smile.